And welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on this Hyundai i30. It's 2017 and it's the 1 litre petrol. So we've got P044400 evaporation, so EVAP system in other words. Now I'm going to show you what it is. Nothing to worry about, nothing to stress about. This is probably common in most cars. I've known in Vauxhall it's very common as well. It's just a sensor that's located here, this sensor here. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is it. Really easy to change, nothing crazy. And it's literally these two you take off and you replace with a new one, and you do a hard reset. As in, when I say a hard reset, I'm using this Think Car Diagnostic Scan tool. You just do a full scan and clear, and this will eliminate the engine management light as well. Long story short, there inside this sensor is a little valve that lets air in and lets air out. And sometimes the valve just kind of packs in, and when it does, it gives you this fault code, probably engine management light, and it's just a case of replace and move on. But that's where it's located on this 1 litre petrol, and you may need a machine just to reset it, and jobs are good.